Hello world and welcome to my channel. Today video is going to be on some more King's stuff. Probably sick of it by now, but I'm still adding to my setup slowly. I see things on special, and it's going to be on this. Okay, it's going to be on an aluminium cooking set. You can get bags and everything with it, but I just wanted the cooking set. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers. Yeah, with this cooking set here, I got it because the one I have has a wooden handle. Don't think it's going to work on a fire. I haven't been using it because I had a cooking plate on my gas one, and I bought a barbecue. With a grill and everything. So, yeah, so it was on special, $59 from the 4x4 Supercenter Kings, and it has a detachable handle. And I thought, well, to go with my cooking on fire, which I'm hoping to do in the future, it's going to work well with that. So I'll unbox it now and I'll show you what's in the box. Well, that's it there, the cooking set. I could probably read you a few things. It's aluminium reinforced body, non-stick coating, which is water-based as far as I can tell. Suitable for gas, electric and induction cooktops. Compact storage, handle and lid suits both pans. And in the boxes be a 128 centimetre fry pan, 1 by 24 centimetre saucepan, 1 by universal lid and 1 by detachable handle. So that's it there. So I'm going to open it up. Get the knife. Flick it through here. Cut that. And then open it up. Oh, I'll just pull it all out. I'll pull the handle, I'll pull the lid out. Watch this. Probably going to have to come out together. Yeah, all got to come out together. So that's it. Nothing else in that box there. See? Right, so in here we have the lid. I certainly hope it's for a fire. It did say on the website it was. Anyway, probably won't be using the lid on the fire anyway, but that lid will suit both the saucepan and the frying pan. That's the usual features and the warranty, maintenance. Wash with mild soap and warm water, rinse dry with cloth. Allow to air dry. Do not use any abrasive cleaner, steel wool to clean the cookware. You will scratch it. Recommended plastic or wooden utensils. Do not heat up pans for long periods without food in it or liquid in it, which is all common sense. Not microwave safe, which is more common sense. Okay, and that's the warranty. So there's not a lot in there. First thing I have here is the handle. Undo that. That's the handle. That's what it looks like. You can see it there. So that's open and that's closed. You can see that's closed on top, so to open up you push the button, and then to close it you pull that down there like that, and that locks it in. Won't go unless you push that button again. It feels good, because it goes in your hand. It's packed with a bit of cardboard around it so it doesn't scratch. Very lightweight. Probably lift it up with one finger if I wanted to. They're very lightweight, good size saucepan. Yeah, and just a Venture King's logo, suitable for induction as well. Didn't think aluminium was suitable for induction, but oh, it's not it. I'm not using induction. I don't like it. And that's the frying pan. Very lightweight. Again, it's the bottom of it. The coating in it. And yeah, that's it all there. Yeah, with the handle, push the finger on the button and lock it down. Just lock it down like that. Push it across, then you can lift it out. Put it anywhere you want it. Take it off, you push the button down. And this one again, push it down there like that, lift it off. See, very easy to use, this handle. Yeah, very easy to use. It's not on there permanently, and that's what I like. Like that. See, it's all you do is you wind it over like that. It closes the jaws up here. To release it, you just got to push the finger on the button. So go through it again. You put it on there, wind it over, you pick it up, put it down somewhere, and open it up. Pick this one up, wind this over here, pick it up. Very easy to use, one-handed operation, and yeah, I think it's going to be good. That's the handle, how to use the handle. And I said the lid fits on both of them. Yeah, well, I wanted something that would stack well. You can stack top and have no handle sticking out. Because the one, if you have a handle sticking out when you're trying to stack something, it gets into the way. So I think this will stack quite well. So what I might do is run through the specifications while I'm here with you. Okay. The dimensions, 29.5 centimeters by 13 centimeters by 29.5. That's box outside size, I suppose you can say. The net weight is 2.2 kilos, so the handle, that and that come to 2.2 kg. So very lightweight. So I'm hoping to incorporate that into my cooking system. Cook on fire. I'm still going to use that plate if I'm cooking on gas. But I don't have anywhere on a fire to cook eggs. I can probably cook bacon on a grill, but I still probably prefer to cook it in here. Yeah, so that's my idea of using that when I'm going to be cooking on the fire. It says it's suitable for the fire when I looked at the website. So yeah, and that's the cooking set. I have a cast iron camp oven which I haven't used in 15 years. since the kids were small. And there's probably a cast iron grill there as well somewhere. But I wanted the lighter stuff. I'm trying to get light gear in my camping gear. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, time will tell when I'm testing all this out when it gets a bit cooler. It's too hot. 35-degree days we're having at the moment. I'm going to go back in the aircon in a minute. Just making this video up for tomorrow. Well, I hope you like this video. It's about nice and simple about this aluminium King's cooking set. I paid $59.95 for it. Could have got a bag for $10 extra. I don't want a bag. That was the only special they had on today for it. So it's going to go into my one of my front runner boxes and be inside that. So I can pack things around it and inside it and things like that. So that's what I'm putting it in my camp kitchen box. So I can just pick it all up and it's all together. Well, I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Cheers.